In front of the bench. Not, they got marks all over the floor if you look around.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ah. This is cause number M333218. The case is style of state of Texas versus Paul Thompson. Mr. Thompson, is that your, is it Paul Thompson III?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thompson, is that your full name?
Yes, sir, it is.
Mr. Thompson, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Thompson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thompson, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Thompson?
Doing well with that.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Thompson, I have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Are these your initials on the line stating you want to reset your case to hire your own attorney?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thompson, before you signed and initialed this document, did you read the document?
So I did.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir, correct.
Mr. Thompson, your case is going to be reset by our court coordinator. Have a seat in that first chair by the wall. She's going to reset your case. Once your case is reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, do the same.
You're welcome. Joshua Birdsong. Mr. Birdsong, your full name is Joshua Ray Birdsong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is cause number 23CCCR 0184. Birdsong, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Birdsong, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Birdsong, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Birdsong?
Doing well. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Birdsong, I have documents before me. This first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Mr. Birdsong, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Are these your initials on the line stating you want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Birdsong, I also have another document here. This document is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Birdsong, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Birdsong, I read your answers in these documents. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove will be given information about how to contact you, and you will also be given information about how to contact Mr. Grove. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get that information from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that fourth chair by the wall. 2 chairs down from him. Next case is cause number M329926, case of style of state of Texas versus Ava Janine Chambers. Your full name is Ava Janine Chambers?
Janice.
Janice? Okay. Ms. Chambers, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Chambers, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Chambers, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Chambers?
I'm trying you.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Chambers, I have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that is titled Defendant? And are these your initials on the line stating you would like to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Yeah.
Ms. Chambers, I also have a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Ms. Chambers, do you recognize this document?
Mhm.
And on page 2 of this same document, Ms. Chambers, is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant Signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Chambers, before you sign any initial to all of these documents, did you read the documents?
Mhm.
Did you understand what you read?
Yeah.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, now, Ms. Chambers, I read your answers. Based on your answers in the documents, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. The attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Brevin Jackson. Attorney Jackson will be given information on how to contact you. You will also be given information on how to contact him. Our court coordinator is going to give you that information. Once you get that information from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in the fourth chair on the wall. There you go. That's both of these. Next case is cause number 23 CCCR 0108. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Leela Jane Johnson. Ms. Johnson, would you please come forward? Ms. Johnson, your full name is Leela Jane Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Johnson, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Johnson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Johnson?
Communicate yourself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Johnson. I have before me 2 documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Are these your initials on the line stating you'd like to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
And the next document is Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Now, on page 2 of this same document, there is a signature that is titled Defendant Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Johnson, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, I read the answers in these documents. Based on the answers, you do not meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. So therefore, yes,
If I may ask, what you're not doing, they're fine.
because you have, according to what you have here, you have about 1,000, let me see, 1,218 and $22 extra that you have each month, which basically means you should have enough money to hire an attorney.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, at this point, you can, the court can reset your case to give you the opportunity to hire an attorney. Or
And
if
how
you
long
want,
will that give me?
Hmm?
How long will that give me?
We usually give you about 60 days, 2 months. Okay,
And if I represent myself per se,
if you represented yourself pro se, then you'll talk to an attorney, one of the prosecutors today.
that's what they said. Okay, attorney.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, she's gonna have to change.
You can say what I'm on.
Oh. She just put one line through because I'm gonna have to still turn this here in. Okay, Ms. Johnson. Your case is gonna be reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. You're gonna have a seat in the 4th chair by the wall, and our court coordinator is gonna call you up to the window. Once you go up to the window, she'll be able to reset your case. And once you finish in court, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Next case is cause number 23CCCR 0236, case of style of state of Texas versus Alexis Alize Butte. Ms. Butte, your full name is Alexis Alize Butte.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Butte, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Butte, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Butte, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Butte? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Butte, I have some documents before me. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights of Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line entitled Defendant's Signature?
Yes, sir.
And the next, there are a set of initials on the line stating you want to apply for an attorney. Are these your initials?
Yes, sir.
Next document is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes.
Now, Ms. Butte, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the document?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Butte, I've read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. The attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is attorney Mark Faggett. Attorney Faggett will be given information on how to contact you. You also be given information on how to contact him. Once you are given that information by the court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay.
Please have a seat in that chair over there. Yes,
Thank you.
you are. Court will be in recess.
Right.
Huh?
While I wait, and do the-
Well, when the court session is over, you can go get your clothes. Okay? Or you're gonna change clothes, not get clothes.